Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a paint correction and ceramic coating on this Toyota Aristo. The first stage of paint correction we'll be doing is the compounding stage, so trying to eliminate as many swirl marks as possible. And then the two later stages will be the polishing stages, and you'll see how I do that in this video, just so we can preserve the clear coat and also while making the car look good. And if you're using CarPro IronX, the spray like this in direct sunlight, just make sure you keep it a little bit wet by, misting some water into it. That way it doesn't bake onto the paint and potentially ruining it. And so, yeah, this is essentially how I do it. I'll just mist over it. And, after that, you just spray all of it off. And after this stage of decontamination, I sprayed it with CarPro Descale and then did the hand wash. As you can see, the paint is freaking terrible. Like, no matter where you look, there's a swirl mark or a hologram or whatever imperfection you can think of. And it's just crazy how dirty this looks. I mean, you saw it from outside, now this is inside. It's still crazy looking. The door handle, like, what the heck? How do you even scratch it up like this? Unless you're running from a killer and you're fumbling through your keys, you can't open the door. Other than that, there's no reason for your car to look like this. And what I'm using here is Master Compound from Polish Angel, along with my Lake Country Orange foam pad and a Flex 15mm polisher, dual action polisher. And as you can see, the results so far has been pretty good with this combination. And it's not even completely done yet, but you can see the gloss is already starting to get really nice. A lot of the bigger and more noticeable swirl marks are gone, and the doors, man, it just looks so much better on this side. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going. Highly recommend this stuff. So now the second stage of my paint correction process is using the Lake Country Black Gloss Pad and Polish Angel Final Polish. And essentially you just, put it on medium speed, 3 or 4, and light pressure, let the compound or polish and the pad do the work, do all the heavy lifting. So you're really just moving this around, man. It's super easy. It does take a while because you got to redo the entire car, but it's so worth it. I mean, look at this difference. It wipes super easily and it just looks so good. And for the third and final stage of my paint correction process for this Aristo is contour for Polish Angel, white gloss pad from CarPro, and you'll see here pretty soon how it looks. For the wheels, we're going to be coating them with Polish Angel Super Sport, and all you really do is make sure the wheel is clean, which this is. I did an iron decontamination, cleaned it like normal, and now put this, so just shake it. Preferably you spray it on the microfiber towel, but I only have 2 hands because I'm not an octopus. So really you just spray like that and then wipe it around. See? So yeah, let me know if you would have done the process maybe a little bit differently, what tools and equipment you might be using or you would recommend to someone who's just starting out. So yeah, I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and subscribe and like the video, I guess. And yeah, super cool. Really enjoyed this one. Okay, bye.